Hi everyone! Welcome back to another tutorial from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to easily download and install Zoho Mail app on your desktop or laptop. First of all, launch open any web browser on your computer and in the URL box type in Zoho Mail download and search. Now in the search result, look for this first link that says download Zoho Mail desktop app, and then on the next page, click on this download for Windows link on the left hand corner. Now select one of the options at the bottom, 32-bit or 64-bit, and once you make the selection, you will be able to download the Zoho Mail desktop Lite client. Wait for the download to complete. Just make sure that you select between 32-bit or 64-bit. 32-bit option can use up to 4 GB RAM only, which is slower for heavy tasks. If you select 64-bit, then it can use more than 4 GB RAM, faster and more powerful, handles heavy app better, and more secure. After the download is complete, click on Open File. Allow necessary permissions for the app to finish the installation and select the destination folder and click Install. Now wait for the installation process to complete. Once the setup is complete, click on Finish, and then you'll be able to open up the Zoho Mail desktop version. So there you have successfully downloaded Zoho Mail application on your PC or laptops. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next video. Stay tuned till then.